Hey y'all, welcome back for another container. This one is going to be full of Torenia, which I love. Torenia, they can take shade, they trail, they have beautiful, beautiful blooms. So I think you're really going to like this one. I do have just for texture and height, I've got a Rocopoco Wisteria from Proven Winners. This is a double Impatient. So let me talk you through the Torenia that I do have today. This one is Highlight Blue Beacon. Love the color on these. The foliage is beautiful. The dark purple with the light purple. I'm a purple fiend. I love purple. I mean, you can't tell at all that I love purple, but I absolutely love purple. It's my favorite. This one is a Summer Wave Large Blue, and I love the light purple in this one. It's got a beautiful, beautiful flower. We've got some dirt here from our wisteria popping through as well. And these are going to trail beautifully on this container. This one, just to give us a little bit of a difference in color, is the White Moon. I also love a nice white flower. This has a beautiful little yellow touch inside as well, inside the throat. So I think that's going to be a nice little pop there. And then just to fill in, I got a 4-pack. These were pretty inexpensive. This is Deep Blue Kawaii. Again, a difference in color. These are going to be much darker, and I'm going to pop these through to give us a little bit of depth in there. And then our Rocopoco, um, which I'm going to do something that some of you might not like with this one. This came straight from the greenhouse. It is very leggy. I don't want that. I want this to fill out in the back of our container because it is going to be our thriller, so I'm going to cut it back. I am cutting off buds. I know that's a horrible thing to do, but sometimes we just have to do that. And this will fill out in no time. These grow really quick, but I want it to be filled out and not leggy at all. All right, so drop that in the floor there. I'm going to be a little bit messy today. All right, I'm going to start in the front and I'm going to work my way back. Normally I would start in the back, but I'm not going to be able to see over that. So I'm going to make it easier for myself. So we're going to start with our trailer in the front. This is Summer Wave Large Blue. And I want to plant this so that it automatically trails. That's automatic impact right there. Look at that. Look at that. Tuck it in real nice and tight. And that's going to continue to grow over the edge. Now these long trailers in the back, they're going to grow up and through. These colors are going to mix really beautifully, I think. All right, next I'm going to go in with my white, because again, that's a large trailer that I have here. You can see here, these try to root in too. See the roots there? So this is going to spread quite nicely, which is going to be great for this particular container. My table's a little wobbly today, if you can hear that. All right, now I want this one because it's a little bit more upright. Now this is also going to spill. It is going to grow through. It's going to do exactly what these are doing as well. And I have a slug here. Oh, I hate those things. So we will bait this. We've had such a wet, very wet season this year. Our spring has been really damp. And the slugs are absolutely horrid this year, which I hate. Actually, I don't like that there. I'm going to move it over just a tiny bit. And that leaves me plenty of room for this large container here of the Rocopoco. I'm going to take a little bit of the dirt off of this because I don't need all that. These roots are in great shape, so I don't need to rough them up or anything, but I just want to take a little bit of the excess dirt off the top. I have a little more room. There we go. Now that's going to be our thriller in the back. I don't know that I need these, honestly. I mean, I think I can get away with just that because these are going to fill in beautifully. These plants are a lot larger than I thought. I might pop one in just to give us a little bit of difference in color. and we'll see how it does. These little 4-packs are so easy to use. You can pop them in basically anywhere, and they're so inexpensive. I think these might have been $1.50, maybe. And remember, always your plants are going to grow, so you don't have to get the largest thing ever to get an impact from it. They're going to grow, they're going to fill out, and they're going to be beautiful. I just want a little bit of different colors here, so I'm going to put these toward the back so they'll grow forward. You're not going to notice these to start, and that's okay. You don't have to. I'm going to do one more right in the middle. These are also super easy to plant. I love these little 4-packs. There. That'll grow through and give us a little bit of a difference in color here with our white. So it's just that easy. That's it. That's our container full of Torenia. Do be careful with your water on these. I've noticed they like to be moist, but they don't like to be wet. They will rot out if you get them too wet. These also like shade, so you can put them in shade. They can take a little bit of sun as well. I did have mine in full sun last year, and they did amazingly. So you just have to keep them well watered if you're going to do that. But I hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.